Good morning, everybody. New week, Monday. Hope you all had a great weekend, and let's see what's going on. We don't have that much economic stuff this week, except too many Fed people gonna talk. We got 30-year note auction, and a lot of earnings coming in too. Um, so let's see what's going. Futures are green. We are opening up. As I mentioned, last 2 days on Friday and Thursday. 4 hours still upward. Until we don't have a dark blue bar on the TTM squeeze, direction is up. But don't forget, the bears are still loaded in puts. And next week is OPEX. And I made a prediction in the service that no matter how high we go, there is a possibility that we get bearish toward the OPEX, which is next Friday. But for now, the direction is up. Well, until then, yeah, enjoy the greens. Um, Once you see many names 4 hour MACD dead crosses, then you gotta be careful. Maybe it's possible to have another fall because weeklies are still bearish. Yes, dailies are getting very bullish of many names, but we'll see. Good morning, Amnon. So pre-market right now, we are going to a new higher, and the direction is a little bit not too strong high. You can see here 15 is near that cross, 30 is kind of flat, 1 hour same, but 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily are very bullish. NQ, same thing like 5 ES, 5:15 and 1 hour is kind of flat. 4 hour and daily are bullish. Weekly we still have dark blue bars. NQ, Dow Jones, same thing almost there. RUT, RTY, daily is very bullish upward actually. The lower the rate goes, the higher market can fly up. The small caps, the DXY, going lower. So this one, watch 104 369. If that one breaks, it's gonna be very interesting for small caps. And weekly, you can see here we're getting the bars are almost getting the same size. Once you get a dark blue bar on the DXY, it can get interesting. The low, anyway, 10 year, to 10, I'm sorry, DXY was about the dollar. I made a mistake. The 10 year, we are looking at 4.46. This one, if it passes, is strong. Next is 4371. Lower rate goes, good. It's gonna be good for small caps. For DXY, the lower it goes, it's gonna be good for all markets, especially tech companies, because they make a lot of revenue and profit from overseas. So the lower the dollar, the better the money they get in here. Um, 10 year, yeah, kind of flat on the 15:30 and 1 hour. We'll see what's gonna be there. The auction is gonna have a big effect. In general, I do not like it when VIX is green and indexes are green. So just keep that in mind. Right now it's hovering around 1373. If it goes lower, 13.7 is the 1307 is the next target. Below that, market can get a squeezy. But once, in general, when you see indexes are green and VIX is green, and if it stays green and go higher, that means divergence, and you gotta be ready for shift of direction. So just keep that in mind and be cautious about that one. Direction and VIX still downward on a 4 hour and daily. Weekly is curved down. Once that cross confirms, can go lower below 1307 as I mentioned. It can squeeze up market, and those are the next targets. Um, to do what else you got here? BTC had a nice run up to 66K, but starting weakening pre-market affecting coin and MSTR. ETH to do both ETH and BTC daily MACD is near golden cross, so that's something interesting to note. But as I mentioned, the market is a little bit weakening. Apple, we got the Warren Buffett cut 13%. Warren Buffett usually, he doesn't cut. He is a long holder, and that's interesting that he's cutting. So and then it showed weakness into the close on Friday, and it had a nice fall. But this morning, it went as low as it opened as almost 180 and then recovered. So key level to watch this today is 183.2 and 181.13. If it goes above 183, then you can go for recovery and go higher. But if 181 can hold it, 179.51 can come fast. Below that, those are the next level. One all the way it can go all the, if 179.51 pass, can go all the way back to 175.82. Pre-market right now, 30 on 1 hour is downward. 4 hour, if that cross confirms, can go even lower. And keep in mind, Amazon, Google, a lot of names that had good earning, they faded. So it's possible to happen to Apple too. Amazon. Daily MACD golden cross upward, 4 hour bullish, but pre-market is just like a yo-yo. 186.8 past that one. We're looking at 188.65 next target. Pass all-time high, then it can go. It's gonna be good to go for a bigger run-up. All-time high is 189.77. Once it passed that one, it can get closer to 100. Below 185, those are the next support levels. Nvidia opening higher than Friday high. It went as high as 894, but keep in mind premiums are getting killed, and the algos are not too much bullish on this yet. So pre-market right now, 15:30 1 hour, kind of down a little bit, kind of holding up, but it's not bullish at all for now. 896, that's a key level you want to watch. Once it passed that one, we're looking at 903, 911, above 911. We can go all the way into the next major, which is 917 and higher level. Earning is 2-3 weeks out, so we'll see what's gonna be. I just don't like the 1 hour is dead cross, but the 4 hour is still very bullish. So if it gets a dip, it's a good buy opportunity again. Below 891, supports are 885, 880, 877. AVGO. I will get to AMD too, Meta too. AVGO, nice run up so far off of 1200, and it's continuing higher. 4 hour MACD is golden cross, so general trend is up there. Next target is 1292, 1304. Above that, it can go to 1320 and 1340 for this week. Pre-market right now, 15:30, not clear, but 1 hour we got a dark blue bars, but I love it that the 4 hour we got a golden cross. Coin had a nice jump up to, let me see, to went all the way to 232, but again BTC pullback, it's pulling me back. Pre-market right now, 15:30 is downward. 1 hour got a dead cross, and 4 hour we got dark blue bars, so need to pass 226, 230 for run up again to 233, 237, 241. But if 220, if the lows can hold it, which is 224, then supports are 222 and 220. Netflix, nice 2 day run up, but pre-market right now, 15:30 is kind of weakening. 1 hour is near dead cross, so if it pulls back at the open, 571, 578 support. Below that can go to the lower level, but if it jumps up, 584 is a key level to watch. Above 584, next major level is 595 and can go all the way back to 600. Meta is a strong 4 points higher, and 558 is a key level to watch. 4 hour very bullish. Daily MACD, daily TTM, we got a yellow bar, first yellow bar on Friday. MACD is curved up, so 558 is the next key level. Past that one, 559, 561, and 56. I'm sorry, 458 is a key level. 458.28. Past that one, we're looking at 459, 461, and 463. Next major level. 463. Has a small chance to come today. Tesla, it's just funny. Every day is opening a little bit strong, then it pulls back. So 184.71, that's a key level you want to watch. In general, it's still very bullish on daily. Weekly MACD is curved up, and 1 hour is upward. 4 hour is kind of flat, but I like it that you got yellow bar. So 184.71 is a key level to watch. Past that one, 186, 189. But again, if you see it open and weakening and starts falling again, supports are 182, 181. If 181 can hold it, back to 178, 177. Microsoft, 2 points higher. 1 hour is dead cross, so if it jumps up, we're looking at 411 is the next key level for run up. Above 411 can run up to the higher level, which is major. Next major is 415. But I don't like the 1 hour dead cross. If it pulls back, supports are 406, 403. Google, it was interesting on Friday. It dumped and it recovered, probably because of ChatGPT search that's coming up. In general, it's still very bullish on the hourly, daily, and weekly, and everything is upward. 1 hour to the weekly. So 167.25. If it can hold back to 165, 164, need to get above 168.65 for run up to the next level, which is 169, 171, 173. AMD, nice gap up. It went as low as 140 last week. So far, for until 4 hours not dead cross, it can continue going higher. ARM earning is this week. Right now this one is on the run up for now. Pre-market right now 1530 is showing some weakness, but is opening up 3 points. So 154.67, that's a key level to watch. Past that one, we're looking at 156.93 next major. Above that, fix this one. Yeah, so 156.93, watch that one. If it passes, then it can go this week to 158, 161, 164. SMCI, a few points higher open, 793.76, that's a major level to watch. Past that one, we're looking at 807, 830, and 853. SPY, 513.74 is a major level. It almost reached it. It's possible to touch it at open. It needs to pass it strong to go to the next level. If it goes above it strong, we're looking at 514.7, 516.26, and 517.82 next major level. If it at any point you see 1530 active dead crosses, which already 1 hour is kind of flat, so it's undecided there. 512, 511, those are supports. Below 511 can go all the way back to 509, 507 low chance unless something happens. QQQ opening up above 536.79 major. Above that, next key level is 437.79. Passes that one is strong. We can 439, 441 next major. If 436 can hold it, those are the next support level. IWM, strongest index pre-market. It's starting showing a little bit of weakness, and the 4 hour, that's interesting. We just got the dark blue bar. So 201.84 is a support. If it can hold it, those are the next level. 200, 198, 196. I need to get above 203 is strong to run up to 206. What else you got here? SMH went to 1300, pulled back 1339 actually. So watch 1296 past that one, 1339, 1361 next major. If 1274 can hold it, back to the lower level again. It's all up to BTC. Boeing, let's continue going higher. Next target is 183.02. Above that, we're looking at 184, 187, 190. ARM has earning this week, so 105 if it 104.56 pass, 105.49 next major. Above that, 106, 108.5. QCOM. To 4 hour, we got a dark blue bars, so some consolidation there probably. PDD, 142.5, that's a key level to watch. Past that one, we're looking at 145.47. Bidu, need to pass 114.3. I don't like it that they got a 4 hour dark blue bar. So anyway, some consolidation probably there too. Baba, same thing, probably make some range up and down until the next breakout. PanW, 4 hours upwards, so 297.25 passes strong. We look at 299, 303 and 306. Keep in mind last week it tried to jump but it faded very fast. Adobe, next target there 500. So 495 and 506 next major level there. I like 4 hour and 1 hour is very bullish there. What else you got here? LRCX is gapping up, so 917 passes. Next target is 931. Disney got earning tomorrow before open. Gold is gapping up. Possible another attack by Israel soon. If it jumps up again, 27 jumps up, continues jump up. 217, 220. What else? PLTR has earning. MU gap up, big gap up actually. They got to upgrade. So keep an eye on this one. 120 is the next key level. If 120.36 pass, we look at 122, 124, 127, 42. What else? GS is just continuing going higher. 443 pass. We're looking at 449. If it goes crazier this week, 458, 469. Those are the next major level. 4 hour daily weekly is upward. It's just slow motion going higher. Shop, let me see. Shop not that bad either, almost 1 point higher. If it continues higher, 76, 78, 81 next key level. Hood got news, pulled back, then it recovered. That's pretty much it. Let me just see if there's anything else. Um, yeah, AVGO is interesting. Yeah, keep an eye on AVGO 1300 may come the open. All right, thank you so much and have a beautiful day.